From the following details relating to a project, analyze the sensitivity of the project to changes in the initial project cost, annual cash inflow, and cost of capital. So there seems to be three factors which are considered to be sensitive for our project. It is the initial project cost, the annual cash inflow, and cost of capital. Okay. As of now, we are of the view that the project cost will be 1,20,000. It will generate every year 45,000 rupees of cash for 4 years, and we will like our discount rate to be the WACC of 10%. They are saying identify which of these three factors the project is most sensitive if the variable is adversely affected by 10%. So first what we should do is we should first find out what is the NPV on the basis of the projections that we have already carried out. Okay. And then we have to do sensitivity analysis for 10%. So adverse analysis, of course. So tell me, if it is project cost, what will be the adverse analysis? Project cost increases is bad for us, or project cost decreases is bad for us? Obviously, the project cost increasing. So if I increase the project cost by 10%, I want to know what will be the impact on my NPV. So I take 1,20,000 and add 10% to it. So it turns out to be 1,32,000. So we should recalculate the NPV considering a project cost of 1,32,000. Cash inflow, tell me, what will be adverse for us? Cash inflow increasing by 10% or cash inflow decreasing by 10%? What will affect the NPV adversely? Obviously, adverse impact will be caused by reduction of 10% in the cash flow. So take 45,000 and deduct 10%. Yes, your cash inflow is becoming 40,500. And finally, the cost of capital. Say cost of capital is used as a discount rate. Higher the discount rate, lower will be the present value. So here I should increase it by 10%. So my revised WACC or the revised discount rate is 11%. So the way we should approach this question is we should work out what is the basic NPV and at the same time carry out sensitivity analysis for 10%, right? Adversely affect these three factors. Find out what is the revised NPV and then find out what is the percentage change in NPV. Once you are ready with the percentage change in NPV, then we can take a decision that which is the factor which is most sensitive for this particular project. Let's solve the question. We say determination of NPV and its sensitivity analysis. Okay, I will like to work out the NPV and also carry out its sensitivity analysis. We'll prepare a table. We say particulars. Here we say the base case, and then we say sensitivity analysis at 10%. Okay. And then I put the three factors. The factors are project cost, annual cash inflow, and the WACC. Yes, prepare this table. We will work out the basic NPV and we will also carry out its sensitivity analysis. Okay, if we check back the question, the annual cash flow is 45,000 and they have already given us the present value factors 3.169 and 3.103. So all these figures can be used by us. So we will prepare a basic format for this. We say annual cash inflow. We know the basic figure is 45,000. Remember, sensitivity analysis means considering one factor at a time. Here I will change only the project cost. So annual cash inflow will remain as it is. But yes, here I will take the adverse figure that we had calculated earlier. But for WACC, it is again 45,000. Just change one factor at a time. Okay. Then into present value factor for 4 years. Okay. Base case, it is 10%. So 3.169. Here also 3.169. Here also 3.169. But when you come to WACC, change the WACC to 11%. So here it will be 3.103. Okay. This multiplication will give you the present value of cash inflows. Then we say less present value of cash outflow. Base case 1,20,000. But here project cost, yes, 1,32,000. And then again 1,20,000, again 1,20,000. This is what will give us the NPV. Yes, let's do it. 45,000 into 3.169. I get 1,42,605. Deduct 1,20,000 from it. It is 22,605. Great. This is again 142,605. So 142,605 minus 1,32. I get NPV of 10,605. This is 40,500 into 3.169. I'm rounding it off. I get 1,28,345 minus 1,20,000. It is 8,345. That's my NPV. And the last one, 45,000 into 3.103. I get 1,39,635. Deduct from that 1,20,000. I get 19,635. So these are the NPVs that we are getting, right? And now it is time to work out the percentage change in NPV. So we say percentage change in NPV. Percentage change in NPV. In the first case, we will say not applicable. We have to do now in the second case, percentage change in the NPV. So I'll show you for the first one. Our new NPV is 10,605. We should deduct the old NPV 22,605, divide by the old NPV 22,605, and to put it in percentage, multiply by 100. Okay, so 10,605 minus 22,605 divided by 22,605. We want to know what is the percentage change in the NPV. The percentage change in NPV is minus 53.09%. Okay, minus 53.09%. Okay, do it for the next. Now you can do it orally. 8345 minus 22605 divided by 22.05. Yes, this is turning out to be minus 63.08%. And the last one, 19,635 minus 22,605 divided by 22,605. Yes, that is turning out to be minus 13.14%. So that is the percentage change in the net present value. So the question is, which project is the project is sensitive to which variable? Most sensitive to which variable? You can see negative 53.09, negative 63.08, and negative 13.14. The highest decline in the NPV is for annual cash inflow. So it is the annual cash inflow for which the project is most sensitive. Project is most sensitive to annual cash inflow, right? Annual cash inflow decreases by 10%, NPV falls by 63.08%. That's the reason. It's the most sensitive.